Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Kroger's MasterCard account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. On your computer, first open up your Google Chrome, and on the search bar type in Kroger account login like this on Google, or you can simply search for Kroger.com like this and hit enter. You can see on the first page is the sign in for the Kroger, and you can see we are on the home page of Kroger from the Kroger.com itself. Now to sign into your Kroger account, you can see the sign in option available over here. Click on sign in and again sign in, and enter your email address and password over here and click on sign in to sign into your Kroger account, or you can simply create an account over here. Click on create an account to create a Kroger account, and you can simply sign in to your Kroger account with Google also. And there guys, this is how you log into your Kroger account from your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.